Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still, in my opinion, in this C wave here. I updated it yesterday and also talked to you about it in the video, that we now have to assume that we come down a little bit lower. We want to talk about that now. Overall, Bitcoin still in this flag. I'm not going to go through the entire wave count now, a bit short on time. Just want to show you here the latest imminent price movements. From the low here at 20,700, my view is that we moved up in a wave 1. My view until yesterday was, and to be fair, had to be, that this was the wave 2 here already, and that we were already moving up in a wave 3, as this had made the impression of an impulsive move up. However, it in the end became only a 3-wave move in a wave B, and therefore I have to assume that wave 2 was never finished, that we made this A wave, the B wave, and we come now down in a wave C, in a 5-wave move. Now, I gave you yesterday my view here that we already did the wave 1, we did the wave 2, we did the wave 3, that a wave 4 was coming. I think we saw the wave 4 already, and that we're now coming down here in a wave 5. But I'd like to add another layer of waves to it, as otherwise we have problems here with the target area, and I think it is quite relevant, especially if we take a look at this spike here to the upside. So I have to add another layer of waves, that I'm going to do now with you. So my view is that we saw here a wave, what's another color? A wave 1 here. Yeah, this first little dip. Again, this is micro counting what we're doing here now, but just to understand you where we are and give you some orientation. 1, 2, and I think we have not, oh yeah, we have finished, I think, the wave 3 actually, I think so. No, not that wave 3, not that wave 3. I think that will be down here somewhere. Then there should be another wave 4 coming. Now, to be fair, that might be now 5. And then within this, yeah, so at the moment we might look at it like that. And then we've got here, and that is the count I had on the chart yesterday anyway. Here the wave 1. Here the wave 2. By the way, today we've got the CPI data release. Will be really interesting. A lot of volatility expected today. A lot of unpredictable price movements. We'll see. We'll see. Nobody knows what the numbers are going to be. Therefore, any development will probably rather be short term, and just push the market in the direction it would have run anyway. All right, and that is currently my view here. We might already be in this wave 4 here. We've done the 1, we've done the 2, we've done the 3, in another 5-wave move. Very clear to count, I think. And then we're now moving up in this wave 4. Let me just, again, we've got here something like a, again, you can draw it different ways, but a bit like a descending trend line again and again. I think the breakout above that could really indicate that we have finished here the wave 4, that we actually have got the low already in, and the breakout above that level might indicate that this larger wave 2 was in as well already. So at the moment though, I would expect one more move down in a wave 5, at least one more move down, and then to finish off this entire move down, ideally here in the area between 22k and 20.7k, maybe above the 50-day moving average. I think this is going to provide some support at 21.5k. Now here in this C wave, I think we are going lower. An ideal scenario is always if the wave C is ending below the wave A. That would be a move at least below 22.4k, at least. Theoretically, they can end higher than the wave A, but it's not ideal. It's not ideal. And over the years, I've just learned that normally you see a wave C always, or it's more reliable if the wave 4 is ending, the wave C is ending below the wave A. Right, so I believe at the moment, all we could do now is to calculate a key price target here for that wave 5 in yellow, just to figure out, have we already seen here a key level? So what are the key targets for a wave 5? Well, first target is always the 1-to-1 ratio. of the wave 1 and wave 5. So here that was already broken. The next key target is here 22.6k pretty much. The 1.618 extension. Now we nearly reached that. So at the moment we can assume that wave 5 might have already been finished here in this wave 3. That we are now in this fourth wave. Where would we expect that wave 4 to end? So we take the length of the wave 3 and look at the retracement area as well. It could already have ended, yeah, hitting this descending trend line, given that we've already hit the 23k area. So a little bit of a bearish reaction. 23.6% FIB level is the minimum requirement for a wave 4 retracement. So either here or at 23.2k, that would be the ideal retracement. However, I think it could already be finished. 23.2k, if we break above 23.2k, then it could go to 23.38, so 23,387 US dollars in a 50% retracement. Possible in today's volatile environment that we can expect that certain movements will be taken to their extremes. And if it will be extended than that, then it's probably not a wave 4 anymore. It will be something else we then need to take a look at. But for now, I think at any time now we need to be on high alert that there could be one more wave down, taking us eventually here in the overall target range. And yeah, if we look at the length of the wave 3, just roughly measuring here the length of the wave 3, because the wave 3 is not allowed to be the shortest wave. So wave 5 is going to be limited all the way, just roughly all the way down to 21.6k pretty much. Yeah, should not go below 21.6 unless something else is going on here at wave 3, maybe is an extended wave and so on. But in the current wave count, wave 5 should not go below 21.6k. It would be then the fact that the wave 3 is going to become the shortest wave, which is not allowed. And that would be in line with my view here that the 50-day moving average at 21.7k pretty much could provide support. Okay, and that's my view about Bitcoin currently. So again, will be an interesting day, CPI data release. Expect a lot of unpredictable movements and volatility on days like that, in and around the 2 hours when the release takes place. So again, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's normally new content every day or every other day. So you can find the links for those channels in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.